The B-52 Stratofortress is an icon. Known for its imposing presence and unmatched capabilities, it has become a symbol of American air power and resilience. It is a symbol of American air power. This aircraft has been a cornerstone of the United States Air Force for over 6 decades, showcasing the nation's technological prowess and strategic might. This long-range bomber has served the United States Air Force for decades. Its versatility and endurance have made it an invaluable asset in various military operations. Its first flight was in 1952. Since then, the B-52 has undergone numerous upgrades and modifications to enhance its performance and extend its service life. The B-52 has seen action in numerous conflicts, including the Vietnam War, the Gulf War, and the War on Terror. Its ability to deliver precision strikes has been crucial in these operations. The B-52 is known for its distinctive design. Its sleek, elongated fuselage and high-mounted wings give it a unique silhouette that is instantly recognizable. It has 8 engines and a massive wingspan. These features enable it to carry heavy payloads over long distances, making it a formidable force in the skies. The aircraft can carry a heavy payload of bombs and missiles. This capability allows it to engage a wide range of targets, from strategic installations to tactical positions. It has a long range, allowing it to strike targets around the world. This global reach ensures that the B-52 can project power wherever it is needed. The B-52 has been continuously upgraded over its lifetime. These upgrades have included advanced avionics, improved engines, and enhanced defensive systems. These upgrades have kept it relevant in the face of evolving threats. The B-52 remains a critical component of the U.S. Air Force's strategic bomber fleet. The B-52 is a testament to American engineering and military might. Its longevity and continued effectiveness are a tribute to the ingenuity and dedication of those who designed and maintain it. It continues to be a vital asset to the U.S. Air Force. As it soars through the skies, the B-52 Stratofortress stands as a powerful reminder of America's enduring strength and commitment to global security. One of the most significant upgrades to the B-52 is its engines. The Air Force is replacing the B-52's 8 Pratt & Whitney TF-33 engines. These engines have been in service for over 60 years. They will be replaced with 8 new Rolls-Royce F-130 engines. These new engines are more fuel efficient. They will significantly extend the B-52's range. The F-130 engines also require less maintenance. This will save the Air Force money over time. The new engines will also boost the B-52's performance. They will provide more power and thrust. This will allow the bomber to take off with heavier loads. It will also improve its maneuverability. The B-52's radar and avionics systems are also being modernized. A new active electronically scanned array, or AESA radar, will be installed. This radar is more advanced than the current system. It provides a clearer picture of the battlefield. The AESA radar can track more targets. It is also more resistant to jamming. These upgrades will make the B-52 more effective in contested airspace. The B-52's avionics are also being upgraded. New computers, displays, and communication systems will be installed. These upgrades will improve the bomber's situational awareness. They will also make it easier for the crew to operate. The B-52 will be able to communicate more effectively with other aircraft and ground units. Beyond the major upgrades, the B-52 is receiving a range of smaller but crucial improvements. These include new wheels and brakes. These enhancements will improve the bomber's performance on the ground. The upgrades will also make it safer to operate. The B-52's electrical system is also being upgraded. This will improve the reliability of the bomber's systems. It will also allow it to handle the demands of new technologies. The upgrades will ensure that the B-52 can continue to operate safely and effectively for decades to come. These modifications highlight the comprehensive nature of the B-52's modernization. Section 5. The price of longevity. Costs and timeline of the B-52 upgrade. These upgrades come at a significant cost. The B-52, a cornerstone of the U.S. Air Force's strategic bomber fleet, requires extensive modernization to remain effective in modern warfare. The total cost of the B-52 modernization program is estimated to be between $8 and $9 billion. This includes a wide range of upgrades from avionics to weapon systems, ensuring the aircraft can meet current and future mission requirements. The engine replacement program alone will cost around $2.8 billion. New engines will not only improve fuel efficiency, but also extend the operational life of the aircraft. The Air Force believes that these upgrades are a wise investment. By modernizing the B-52, they aim to maintain a robust and versatile bomber fleet capable of addressing diverse threats. The B-52 is a valuable asset. Its long-range capabilities and payload capacity make it an indispensable part of the U.S. military's strategic arsenal. Keeping it flying for decades to come is more cost-effective than designing and building a new bomber. The cost savings are substantial, allowing the Air Force to allocate resources to other critical areas. The modernization program is a massive undertaking. It involves coordination across multiple facilities and requires the expertise of numerous engineers and technicians. It will take several years to complete. The timeline for these upgrades is carefully planned to minimize disruption to the operational readiness of the fleet. The Air Force plans to upgrade all 76 of its B-52s. Each aircraft will undergo a series of enhancements to ensure it remains combat-ready. The first upgraded bombers are expected to enter service in the early 2030s. This will mark a new chapter in the storied history of the B-52, ensuring its relevance for years to come. Section 6. Extending the legacy. The B-52's projected service life. The upgrades will extend the B-52's service life to 100 years. The bomber is expected to remain in service until the 2050s. Some experts believe it could fly even longer. This extended service life is a testament to the B-52's original design. It also speaks to the Air Force's commitment to keeping the bomber relevant. The B-52 will continue to be a vital part of the U.S. military. It will play a critical role in deterring adversaries and responding to crises. The B-52 is a symbol of American air power. It will continue to fly high for decades to come. Section 7. Arsenal of a workhorse. Weapons of the B-52 Stratofortress. The B-52 is a versatile bomber. It can carry a wide range of weapons. This includes both conventional and nuclear weapons. The B-52 can carry gravity bombs, cluster bombs, and precision-guided munitions. It can also carry cruise missiles and hypersonic weapons. The B-52's large payload capacity makes it a valuable asset in a variety of combat scenarios. It can be used for strategic bombing, close air support, and maritime strike missions. The B-52 is a powerful symbol of American military might. It is a reminder of the United States' commitment to deterring aggression and defending its interests around the world. Section 8. The B-52J, a new designation for a new era. With the completion of its modernization, the B-52 will receive a new designation, the B-52J. This designation signifies the significant transformation the bomber will have undergone. It represents a new chapter in the B-52's long and storied history. The B-52J will be a highly capable and lethal aircraft. It will be a force to be reckoned with for decades to come. This new designation highlights the Air Force's commitment to investing in the future of this iconic bomber. It ensures that the B-52 will continue to be a cornerstone of American air power. Section 9. The future of American air power, the B-52's enduring role. The B-52 has been a symbol of American air power for over 70 years. Since its introduction in the 1950s, this iconic aircraft has been a cornerstone of the United States' strategic bombing capabilities. Its distinctive design and formidable presence have made it a recognizable figure in the skies. With these upgrades, it is poised to continue in that role for many years to come. Modernization efforts have ensured that the B-52 remains relevant in today's rapidly evolving technological landscape. From advanced avionics to enhanced weapon systems, the B-52 is being equipped to meet the challenges of modern warfare. The B-52 is a versatile and powerful bomber. Its ability to carry a wide array of weapons, from conventional bombs to nuclear warheads, makes it a critical asset in the U.S. military's arsenal. Its long-range capabilities allow it to strike targets across the globe with precision and efficiency. It can carry a wide array of weapons and operate in a variety of environments. Whether flying through arid deserts, dense forests, or icy tundras, the B-52 has proven its resilience and adaptability. Its robust design allows it to perform in extreme conditions, ensuring mission success regardless of the environment. The B-52 is expected to play a critical role in future conflicts just as it has in past ones. Its storied history includes participation in major conflicts such as the Vietnam War, the Gulf War, and more recent engagements in the Middle East. Its continued presence ensures that it will be a key player in any future military operations. It will be an integral part of the U.S. military's efforts to deter adversaries, defend its interests, and maintain global stability. The B-52's ability to project power and provide a credible deterrent is unmatched. Its presence alone can influence geopolitical dynamics and contribute to maintaining peace and stability around the world. The B-52 is a testament to American ingenuity and determination. Its longevity and continued relevance are a result of innovative engineering and a commitment to excellence. The men and women who maintain and operate the B-52 are dedicated to ensuring its success on every mission. It is a reminder that even in a rapidly changing world, some things never go out of style. The B-52's enduring legacy is a symbol of strength, resilience, and the unwavering spirit of the United States Air Force. As we look to the future, the B-52 will continue to soar high, embodying the values and traditions that have made it an icon of American air power.